What is up, guys? It's Kevin back in with a quick new video, just showing you guys what I've been doing and what I've been working on. Now, this video is going to be kind of short. It's probably not going to be the best quality because it's kind of windy out here, but kind of excited because actually, after all this time, I found a car. I found it yesterday, and it was like 2 hours away, so it took me it was like 5-hour round trip, you know, loading it up and shit. And I paid $300 for the car. Dude had it posted up for $1,000. I said, hey, I'm driving 2 hours. Can I get it for, you know, $300? And he was like, okay, since you're driving so far. Which he kind of acted like he didn't know what the car was worth. But the issue with the car, he took it to a mechanic shop, and they told him a whole bunch of different things that was going on with it. It was well over $1,000. And they said that it needed a new engine computer. Now, I bought the car, got it home, and I just scanned it, and the code it's coming up with is a PO100, which is a mass airflow sensor. And he said that the last time he drove it, it was acting like it was running out of gas. So I believe that's the issue. You know how shops want to bullshit people, but yeah, let me show you what it is. This is a 2001 Toyota Celica, and this thing does not have a dent on it. This thing is awesome condition. Look, basically brand new tires on it, aftermarket wheels. It's got a catback, what do you say? I forget what catback it is, but yeah, this thing is nice, man, especially for $300. He said that everything works on it. The paint's in really good condition. Like I said, there's no dents or anything on the car. Even the interior, man. Interior is, of course, it needs to be cleaned out. I just got back with the car right now. Let me show you here. If I can find it. It's got 169,000 miles. So that's actually really good for the year of the car. Let me show you under the hood here. And when I opened the hood, I was kind of surprised. This thing does not have a speck of oil, anything like that. This thing is super clean. So right here is the that's not it. Right here is the mass airflow sensor. So I'm gonna do a little research on that code and see if that's exactly what it would be. But I even figured, man, if I can't get the damn thing running in this kind of condition, I can still get $1,000 out of it, no problem. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Kind of excited to have something to do now, so I'm gonna make another video and let you guys know what was actually wrong with it after I get it running, if I get it running. But I'm gonna have to go to pull apart tomorrow to get mass airflow sensor, plug it in, see if it works. If it does, great. If it doesn't, I'll go on to the next step. I don't have a problem putting a little bit of money into it, just because it's such a nice car, and I know I can get pretty good money out of it, considering what people are selling junk for right now. So either tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I'll make another video and give you guys an update on the car, and I'll talk to you later.